I'm having a problem with my CLS500, and it's leaking oil, and I'm thinking it's blowing back from around this oil cap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to see can I find the oil cap that an oil cap for this vehicle, and see can we remedy this oil leak here, because I think that's where it's coming from. It has no other indication that it's coming just from here, and most of the oil is around here. That's what we're going to be focusing on today. Okay, this is a follow-up on the CLS500 oil filler cap leaking. And what I did, I ended up replacing the cap and cleaning the engine off. And it looks like it took care of that part of my problem, because around the cap area it doesn't indicate any oil leakage down underneath there and below it. And I know I could have did a better job of cleaning it, but it was late that evening. I just wanted to kind of just spray some water on it. But I should have used some engine degreaser to really clean it up. I'll do that later. I was trying to remedy problems that I had at the time. And the part number for that oil filler cap, I bought it from the local parts store. I think it was about maybe $5–6, and here's the part number and everything.